Happy New Year to all my YouTube followers, existing subscribers, and new subscribers. So this new year is promising to be very great, and we're going to start off this year by my favorite soup, Ogbono soup. Well, guys, I have a short story for you regarding Ogbono soup. So it happened to be one of the difficult soup I encountered while growing up. When my mom usually cooks the soup, I kind of shy away from it because I felt it was too difficult. But guys, I'm going to simplify and show you the easy way on how to make Ogbono soup. Sit back, okay? So we're going to start by frying our onions, and then we'll move over to adding our Ogbono. Guys, do not be afraid if your Ogbono does not draw as you would like it, because Ogbono differs, right? So once that Ogbono is been added already, we are going to add our mixed up water little by little, guys. And the reason is just to monitor the consistency, right? So we're going to ensure we stir together. You have to ensure the oil is well stirred with the Ogbolo or mixed with the Ogbolo before you put in a large amount of water. So this is dawa locust beans. I always love adding it to my Ogbono to give it a very nice aroma. So you can see that the Ogbolo is loosening, right? And over to our pepper, fresh pepper. So we are going to blend fresh pepper and include it to the Ogbolo, and always ensure that you take note of the consistency of the Ogbolo. Then we're going to be adding our protein, our shaki, orishi assorted and what have you. So we're going to stir together. So I added stockfish, dry fish, and shaki alongside with the chicken. So this is our Ogbono, and we're going to include the crayfish, blended crayfish, guys, and you stir together. Then you add your bitter leaf.
His plans are perfect. Trust in the Lord. Believe He is working. He is your helper.
Finally, add my vegetable. So for this video, I use spinach, right? So your vegetable should be the last thing you add to any soup, because vegetables usually don't need long time to get cooked. So we're gonna stir together. Our Ogbono soup is almost ready, guys. Can you see how good looking this Ogbono is? And what I added was the crayfish. I mixed it with water because I realized that it wasn't enough. I had to mix it with water because the Ogbono is almost ready. So I'm just gonna stir together. Some people would like the Ogbono to be very watery, while others would like it a little bit thick. I love it to be in between, not too thick and not too watery. And here is our Ogbono ready. So we're gonna be taking the Ogbono out soon, and we're gonna serve hot. So guys, how do you find this video? Is it something you will try at home? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.